Hello everybody, I'm Robert, the CEO and co-founder at CloudSigma. I just wanted to show you in this video our Refer a Friend scheme, which a lot of customers are using more and more nowadays. So I wanted to show you some of the benefits and how you can easily use it. So I'm already logged in here into the main web app, and you'll see here that there's a section called Refer a Friend. And basically the way this works is that every customer in CloudSigma has a unique ID, a unique code that is generated when you open the account. And by using this code, we can actually track people that you refer to CloudSigma. So it's pretty simple technically. So this is actually my personal link. And you see here, it's basically referring me to the Zurich web app address, which is the first part. And then it adds a parameter, which is affiliate ID, and then the code, which is in this case, my code. So this is the link. You can actually just simply use this link in an email to somebody. You can send that yourself. You can obviously share that. And we have shortcuts here. So if you click on any of these sharing links, we'll automatically put that link, your specific link into that social share. And then you can then also have a chance to edit the message and you define what that message will be. So when you click any of these buttons, it's just going to prompt you to confirm what content you want, but that link will automatically populate for you. So that's one way. And then the other thing is that we have here multiple buttons and sort of banners, even if you prefer, that you can use, and different sizing, and automatically we've generated again the code that you can just put into your page. So if you copy paste this code, you'll see again it includes your affiliate ID. So this is all great, but you might say, well, you know, what's in it for me? What's the benefit for both the person I refer and myself as a customer of CloudSigma already? So from your perspective, when you refer somebody to CloudSigma, when they convert and become a paying customer and they make their first payment, whatever it is, you get $20 directly into your account, credited immediately. Then we will then credit you with 10% of anything that they spend above $200 in the first month. So for example, if you refer to someone, a developer friend or whatever it might be, they make an initial payment. For argument's sake, let's say that's like $100. Then you'll get $20 added into your account automatically and pretty much immediately once they've made that payment. Then let's say over the subsequent few weeks, they're happy, they decide to buy some capacity and deploy a larger system. Maybe they make another payment of $1,000. So in this case, they've made a payment of $1,100, the initial 100 and the subsequent 1,000. What we will do is we'll take that total, we take out the $200 at the beginning, and then basically we have the remainder, which in this case is $900. So you would get 10% of that, which is $90. So it's a little bit complicated, but it's actually pretty simple. Basically, you get 10% of everything above $200, and you get a $20 credit up front. So, and that's obviously 10% of 200. But it doesn't matter. Even if the customer only puts in $20 or your friend only puts in $20, you'll still get that immediate $20 credit regardless. So what do they receive? They receive actually a bigger trial, an extended trial with more cloud resources. So they have a much better chance to test the things that they want to test within their account. That happens automatically just simply by using your link instead of going into CloudSigma. They get an upgraded trial. So that's very important. And the other thing, which is a real benefit, is that we'll actually match their payments, their initial payments within the first month up to $250. So what that means is that if you referred somebody, they like the service, they decide to use us commercially, and then they make a payment of $250, not only will you get your money, the $20 plus the 10% commissions, they will actually receive an additional $250 from CloudSigma. So they'll pay $250 and then we'll add another $250 on top. So they'll actually end up with a $500 credit, having only had to put a deposit of $250. So it's a very generous scheme that actually can essentially gives anyone you refer, at least for the first $250, half price computing. So we're seeing a lot of traction with our customers around this scheme, because it's actually CloudSigma has grown largely from organic referrals from people who are using CloudSigma, who like it, who tell their friends and work colleagues. And I would say this accounts for more than 80% of all of our business that we have built up over the years. And so we really wanted to put something in place to make it easier for customers to do that, and also to say thank you to them and to the people that come and try our cloud. So that's giving you in a nutshell what the Refer a Friend scheme is. I hope you consider using it yourself and becoming a CloudSigma customer if you're not already, and happy computing.